And rising. It's Christmas and these have woke me up. It's like 7 o'clock, guys. And yeah, my light's on because they've woke me up. Nasiah's miserable. Because he's like, we've never woke up this early. And even I agree, because why are they waking up so early?
We woke up at 2 on the time.
2?
No, we didn't. I woke up at 2:30. And then I tried going back to sleep, but I couldn't. Did everything. Disturbing my sleep.
Disturbing
my sleep. Because you want to enjoy some you go downstairs and watch the presents half an hour, leave them and go back to bed.
No.
I don't use nonsense, buffoonery. At 7:20, opening presents. Like we've ever done this before. Ain't it, Mum?
I'm tired.
Exactly.
Yeah, she tell you know, but we not. Thank you. Me too, I'm tired.
Exactly.
You're tired too?
I'm not tired.
Christmas! Alright, we're going to open
loads of presents, you lot, boy. Okay, can we open the presents? Look at this.
Crazy Christmas! Even he's tired too. And Whitey's got me up, man. Any baby. So he's the one moaning, guys, yeah? And then his alarm woke up everybody.
Yeah,
It went like
And he's the one moaning and he's scrolling
Let me talk, man.
The anticipation of them wanting to go downstairs.
That's walk me all. Oh my god! Look at this!
You turn on the light, Tiki.
Wait, turn on the light. Turn on the light. Is it Biscuit Crumb? Look at this. Yo, we got big presents. Yo, we got all in. But wait a minute. Who the hell? Who's that? Rakaya. Santa ate all of the cookies. That's Rakaya team. Look at that, Rakaya.
You the one.
Santa ate all of the milk.
Kaya's got a big present. That's a lot of presents.
Your mum, baby got a big present.
That's a lot of presents.
Okay. Yo, Rakaya got a big present. Okay, guys, we're opening our presents.
Oh, this one's Nasiah's over here.
Can we open
That's
it?
yours over there, obviously.
Can we open
Nasiah.
ours? Yeah? Yeah.
Can I open this one?
Yeah.
The one thing, this is one yours.
Rakaya! Come on!
Only the one thing to do.
Oh, look at Peter.
Yeah?
You done it?
Yeah?
Yeah, I look sick.
What?
Is it mine? I look sick.
What? Whose is this?
Nasiah's computer.
Yo, man, that's looking with the mouse. Wow, that's nice. Oh, Mum, let's go. Let's go. I got a new one.
Come on. Oh, no problem.
Why that? What? Moosey. Yo, Pikachu. Watch, I got Pikachu.
Did it my pile?
I'm opening mine now.
Why are you opening that one first?
I don't know. Like this. I don't have a phone. Yeah. Because it was the first one I saw.
This
This is my second watch now. Look. Your mum. The first one that I
Yeah, right.
That, bro. Mommy, who is this? What is that? Yo. AirPods. Is that AirPods? A phone and AirPods.
What?
Yo, this one's yours. Thank you. No, that's Kamara's. This one's it to me. This one's mine. Guys, this is the best.
You've never done that.
Anyway.
Put it on my life.
Anyway, guys, I'm going to go sit down and help baby open his presents. I don't know where I'm going to put my phone because I haven't really got a tripod in here at the moment. So, yes. Yeah! Actually, no, let's just help baby.
Yo! I got Wolverine toy.
Oh?
Yeah. Wolverine! That's actually nice. Mine. Oh, Wolverine squishy toy.
Find what to find at the moment, innit?
Wolverine squishy toy.
Anyway, guys, let's help Kaya. So. Oh, you got a ski catch, come on!
Oh, what is that? You're the
Anyway.
Yo, Mum. Yo,
Come
I got
on, Micaiah.
you know, I got a football.
Micaiah doesn't know how to act, guys. He doesn't know what's
Wait,
going on.
wait,
Wait there.
no, look at this
Let me
hat.
try get one for Micaiah. Get one of his smaller ones. His bigger one, he can wait till last. We've got a big one for Micaiah.
Hey. Thank you.
What's got a name on it? Hold on one second, guys.
Mummy.
So they've got
Mummy,
their...
can I open this for Rebecca?
No.
Guys, I'm gonna
this is
put
all
mine on here.
Yeah, there you can put them on today when you've got in a minute. As soon as they open everything, they've got their comfy onesies to put on, guys. I didn't make them open up anything yesterday.
This is mine, right?
Micaiah! Look at Micaiah, guys.
On the side,
What's this?
what could this be?
What's this? Look. Guys, I'm going to sit down and open presents with Micaiah. See you later. So, guys, and then the side's sitting there. He's got his controller, guys. He's been asking me for a controller for a while. So he's got his Xbox controller now.
Yeah, boy. Mum, John Cena
That's
versus The
it.
Rock.
Oh my God, to kill you. Look
Yo.
Let me look.
Guys, Roman Reigns.
He loves wrestling.
Mommy, look.
Too.
Bonte! Look at Bonte's
Can I sing?
Sorry, guys. Right, I am going now because I'm going to go help baby.
Oh shoot, I'm gonna just
See you later because, like, yeah, I need to sort him out. So he's got his ski mask too, guys. See the look at him. Look at him. Can stay warm now.
Mommy, ho ho.
Bonte!
Ho ho ho.
And then remember I said that their dad's dropped off a card.
And we got.
There we go. Dad's give them some awesome. Well,
They gave us the Starburst.
yeah. So they've got money from their dad.
got mechanical pencil and my mum's sketchbook.
Yes, that's what he's always wanted my sketchbook, guys.
What's
So.
the next? And then I got a really big sketchbook as well for big drawings. And you know, guess what I got? Yeah. A WWE.
Got another squishy tea.
Oh, you said no way!
No way, got another squishy toy.
Yeah.
This one yours, and also who's this for?
Micaiah!
Who's this for? Open door.
Okay. Yeah. So boys, this is from your auntie. And you know what guys, this is really nice. So I saved it to the last because I really love. I kind of had a brief look at it and I was like, oh my God, I really like it. So this has meaning to it. And I like my things like this. Like this is really special, guys. I can open it.
Want to work Roman Reigns? Kick him. Oh.
Isn't this beautiful, guys? So, when you pull it up here,
Put this in my room, Mum.
I think this is so great. No, it's going up in our hot. Like, we're going to find somewhere to put it because it looks really good. Move your hand aside. The Pyramid of Success. Guys, how amazing is this? So we've got competitive greatness, we've got poise, we've got confidence, we've got condition, we've got skill, team team spirit, self-control, alertness, initiative, intentness, industriousness, friendship, loyalty, cooperation, enthusiasm. Then it goes even deeper, guys. You've got ambition, adaptability, resourcefulness. You've got fight, you've got faith, you've got patience, you've got integrity, you've got reliability, you've got honesty, and you've got sincerity. Guys, this is just great. This is really good for the boys. My.
stab me with his claw.
Vontae, stop messing around. No, Vontae.
Why did you just dip it in maybe present?
Oh no, man. Be careful and watch the scissors.
Oh,
You world champion. Cooking down my onions for our beans and spaghetti for our breakfast. Hi guys, so let me just read this out there. Dumplings! So now I'm making dumplings part of our breakfast. Because like they're dumplings breakfast morning, don't they? So yeah, so the sun's really in my face, but yeah, so I'm just making some dumplings because they are, yeah, it's their breakfast. Breakfast! So we've got the fish fingers and the vegetarian sausages in the oven. We've got our beans and spaghetti already cooked. I'm gonna cook some dumplings now. And then we're gonna have some egg. And yeah. He looks all cute. I'll show you a picture of the boys because they've got all their matchings on. I just need to get baby comfy in his clothes.
Are they making?
Dumplings.
Huh?
Dumplings.
Oh. Also, you guys look at this. World champion. And come on, like nothing.
Anyway, so yeah, so kneading the dumplings. Gonna need more flour, it's a bit soft, guys.
Can I knead it?
Hmm?
Can I knead it?
Yeah, got to keep
I
it
just
on.
need to wash my hands because I've kept coughing.
Maybe you should have, because you're not very well with the coffee hand.
Ow!
Look at Vontae, guys. Vontae. Ah,
See, it actually hurts.
hang
doesn't
on,
it?
Vontae. You actually hurt. Don't mess around with
So I've
that.
never bought him that.
And there's a world one. Let me show you what he's doing. But I've got a floury hand, so bear with me. So I've just washed my hands, guys, but I need to sort out baby first, and then I'm going to show you what they look like in their little football outfits. Dumplings are ready to be put in the oil. Fry, fry, fry. Oh my god, I've got a story time. You never forget the time, right, guys? I'm paranoid with oil, as you can tell by me dropping the dumplings in the oil. But basically, so story time. It was Messiah's birthday one of the days, right? And I was cooking for everybody because I was throwing a party at the house. And then I was frying chicken. And then all of a sudden, pop! Pop! Oil gets smashed in, splashed in my face. I scream. Their dad's looking at me. I'm screaming. I'm like, my face! My face! I said, I'm going to be ruined! My face! Honestly, guys, it was the most painful experience I've ever had, and it's made me paranoid to ever cook with oil since, especially frying chicken. I'm so paranoid. I think that's enough, guys. I'm being a bit extra. But yeah, so it's made me scared to fry with oil. But apart from that, like, I remember putting my face under the tap, and then their dad was trying to help me, and he was putting like flannels of warm, like towels on my face. But I was literally holding my face under the sink, just running the water on my face, and I was like, my face is gonna be ruined. I remember really getting upset, thinking my face is gonna be ruined. But no, thankfully, I was okay. And that's my oil experience of splashing in my face. So I am paranoid, guys. So I've just turned them some nice big dumplings. We're going to fry it till it goes golden brown. And we're going to keep flipping it as well. But I only just flipped it, so let it just brown a little that side. Gonna scramble my eggs now. Ooh, they're ready to come out, guys. They're ready to come out. I'm gonna take them out now. And I'm gonna scramble my eggs. Ooh. Second lock's in. And breakfast is nearly served now. It's nearly ready. All these sun's in my face, but yeah, breakfast is going to be served in 2 minutes now.
Here's Dumbo. Mummy, I'm getting a little bit hot in my...
Boys!
Mummy, I'm getting a little bit hot in here. Same. That's fine.
I don't know about anybody else, but I actually just really like my cooking. Now with the dumpling, oh my god, it tastes really tasty. It's so soft. And then, it's so flavorful. I keep going back for more like beans and spaghetti. It's just me. Oh, it's just so tasty. Mama hungry this morning. Anyway, so this is our Christmas Day breakfast. And then I'll take you along with me throughout the day today. I'll catch what I can because I'm actually planning to just play some games with the kids. Put on some movies. They're playing, well, they're eating right now. They were playing with their things before. I did say to them as well, probably in January, well, around the corner, I'm going to take them out and then they can choose like a tracksuit or whatever, because that's the only thing I haven't really got them, because I want them to I want them to be there when I get them. And what else as well? So yeah, I'll bring you along with me today, our Christmas Day special, our Christmas dinner, and yeah, so I'll just bring you along. Whatever you see is what you get. See you later. I do need to tidy up, guys, because oh my god, it's messy, but it's fine. Look at their outfits. Baby hasn't put his on yet, has he? No. We're going to put it on now, aren't we, baby? We just got baby dressed into his ones, ain't it, baby? Merry Christmas, everyone. And it's breakfast time. Then it's dinner time. Then it's dessert. And have fun. Loving and Merry Christmas. They're hungry now. Time to put my chicken in the oven. I've basted it with my special sauce to make it extra crispy. My mac and cheese pasta is practically done. My vegetables are done. Oh, where's the vegetables, guys? And the rice is finishing off. So, guys, I've prepped my mac and cheese. And I'm now about to put it in the oven.
Why do you let me do this?
The mac and cheese is in the oven, guys. And then my chicken's down there. Good. Guys, my macaroni and cheese looks so crispy. Food's nearly ready. I'm actually just doing the roast potatoes, and then I can bung the Yorkshire puddings in, and then dinner will be served. Yes, it will. Oh my god, I'm actually really looking forward to my dinner right now. Yeah, I am. I really am. It's dinner time soon. Dinner time soon. It's dinner time soon. Hey. And my dog just keeps, she can smell it too because she's going to have a little bit. Alright, Neffy. She can smell it too. One of them ones. Anyway, so, oh, let me just show you the mac and cheese. Oh! Oh yeah, and then my gravy's done as well. My rice is done. My veggies are done, as I've already showed you guys. And then it's just waiting for the roast potatoes, which I'm now about to put in. So yeah, I'm just about to boil them and then make Mummy's homemade roasties. Cooking with EmpresS. Cooking with EmpresS. Go EmpresS. Go EmpresS. That's what everyone wants to hear. That is crazy. And it's natural. No, but oh, you know what? It's copyright and I can't play my music, so I'm sorry guys. There's no video recording because I want to listen to my music and dance and do what I gotta do.
You like and subscribe to every video coming out. I can't really.
Time to dish out.
You didn't clap your hand
Oh my gosh.
like this.
No, wait.
I always seem to dish out in age order. So we always start with Levante and then end with myself. And I haven't forgot baby. It's just that he doesn't eat. So I take my time with baby. Levante is making his own juice while I'm dishing out and baby's talking and the rest of the boys are just chilling somewhere around the house. I just took the Yorkshire puddings out. I'm now dishing out the vegetables. We had sprouts, broccoli and carrots.
Can you open this, please? Can you open the juice, please? I'm not gonna do everybody know because people he's a chicken now.
The Yorkshire puddings was a little bit crispy at the bottom. Time to add the mac cheese. Right, I'm going to dig in. I've got one time, I know you want the big chicken.
Can't really give Levante the big chicken. He's the youngest.
Oh?
And he's the youngest. Oh, shut up, Levante. You're not getting
Need a roast, just this one. I think I'll do another roast for New Year. You can have it then.
Yeah, chicken. We'll go for New Year.
I'm going to give you.
Can we have roast that?
Can we have a big chicken?
You know, can we eat?
Big enough?
It's a big mac of chicken. Big bag of chicken. At least I got this.
Yeah.
I'm the big bag of
you. Bigger than you.
At least I got the Big Mac. At least I got the Big Mac for my dessert. The Big Mac. What, you like the chicken burger? That's for me now. Not for that guy over there. Peace.
I got any swab now? I'll give you the rest of the pieces. Any other pieces of chicken? Do you leave it now?
I need some chicken. Can I have some this one?
Huh?
Can I have this chicken?
I'm so
No.
hot.
Which one?
Thank you.
Hot in this house today, Mum.
There you
Yep, it is hot in this house.
go. Okay, let's put the gravies on and then put it there. Got one more bit to do.
Mummy, it's so hot inside this house.
If these...
I want crispy.
It's not as crispy as what.
Oh, it's calm.
There you go. No, it's not. Oh, I'm doing it.
You doing that?
That is your one. Yeah, you do a crispy on the side.
Huh?
Alright. Sorry, this end one's mine.
Huh?
End one's mine.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. You actually eating?
Hmm?
You actually eating?
I'm not creating. Now it's time for the roast potatoes. I nearly forgot them. I wouldn't come over too much because he might not eat because he has a
He's a bit ill.
bit ill. Time for the gravy. And then I want to put some on baby's plate, but I don't know what I'm going to give him. I'm just going to give him some potatoes. No, some vegetables and potatoes, because he doesn't really eat, so I just want him to see it. My dog moans and she can smell it in the background. But she needs to wait because there is a rule in my house. I always feed my kids first and then I'll eat and then I will end up feeding the dog. Dinner is served. Let's go see what it looks like.
What are we even waiting on?
Boys!
Yeah.
Mummy. So guys, I'm going to sit down and eat with the kids now. I do love my food. Anyway, Merry Christmas everybody. And I hope you've enjoyed our Vlogmas series, because soon it'll be ending anyway because December's nearly up. But yeah, I'm actually going to eat with the kids now, so check it in, check it out. Baby was just touching the little broccoli. Come on, baby, it's fine. Well, Kaya, you gonna eat your food? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you got your chicken, your potato, your pasta and your veggies.
Mum,
Yeah?
can I make myself some cherry aid?
Yeah. I need a bigger house. I used to have a table for everybody, but it took up too much space. So now I need this space for them to just move around more.
Mommy, look at me there.
He wants to touch it. He keeps getting excited when he touches it, but then he's still not putting it to his mouth.
Oh, we got it.
As I remind you, you have a shipping empire to run. Since you have taken over the quickest ever on delivering, the only thing you have managed to deliver.
Is it just by me?
Of course.
You ain't got my... Yeah, but like, people can cook, but they can't cook.
Bernard D. Elf. You're late. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. My alarm clock was broken and I forgot my pants. Down the hall, Bounce. You're out of time.
It's a bumpy ride, guys. We're on our way to go see our grandma. Well, my mum and their grandma.